Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change laptop desktop image Windows 11. To start, you can check the default image on the system lock screen. Now right-click on the desktop and select Personalize. After this, click on the lock screen. After this, in Personalize your lock screen, select the picture option. Here you are going to select one of the available images or select one of your own. To check the change, log out and you will see the new image on the lock screen. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.